to 2 years after the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, the justices will hear arguments today on the next frontier for reproductive rights, medication abortion.
Specifically, whether the FDA was right to expand the use of mifepristone in 2016. Here to discuss the arguments being heard today is Governor Gretchen Whitmer, and she joins us live now.
Good afternoon, Governor.
Good to be with you.
So what are your thoughts on today's SCOTUS argument on the abortion pill?
Well, I'm glad that the arguments have happened and for the world to see really how high stakes this moment is. You know, in Michigan, we spoke with a loud voice in the last election, codifying abortion rights into our Constitution. We've taken additional steps with the legislature to get the 1931 law off the books and, of course, expand access to reproductive health care. But this mifepristone ruling, if it upholds the lower court decision, will impact women in Michigan. Take this drug that is the predominant way that women access abortion off the shelves, off of the ability to be accessed. And it'll make it a lot harder for women to exercise that right that we've just codified. And that's why we're watching this so closely. That's why this next federal election is so important. We've seen with IVF in Alabama that there are all sorts of repercussions from the Dobbs decision that other states are reeling from. And this potential election, as well as this ruling, could impact us even here in Michigan.
So why do you think it's just so important to discuss this, Governor? What kind of precedent do you think this is setting?
Well, I think it's very dangerous. First, you know, we knew that with Dobbs and with the fall of Roe v. Wade that procedures like IVF could very well come under scrutiny and be outlawed, as we saw happen in Alabama. The application to embryonic stem cell research is a very real possible extension of that kind of a, you know, thought and that kind of a ruling. If you say an embryo is a person, embryonic stem cell research that is yielding cures, or there's the best hope for cures for juvenile diabetes and Alzheimer's, also is at risk, as well as contraception. And that's why, as we look to see, is a judge in Texas going to be able to take a drug that has been safe and utilized for 24 years off the market because of his ideology, I think threatens health care for all of us.
So, Governor, Michigan is set to become the last state to decriminalize surrogacy contracts. This still needs to be signed by you. Give us your thoughts on this decision.
Well, I'm proud to say that here in Michigan, we support families, right? We support your decision whether and when to start a family, but also any opportunity and path to creating a family, we want to make sure is protected as well. That's why codifying and ensuring people know your IVF is safe here in Michigan. Making sure that a family who wants to start by using a surrogate has the ability to do that. And so I'm very happy that the Michigan Family Protection Act is coming to my desk. I'm looking forward to signing it in short order, because it is time for us to make sure that a family who wants to get started has got the panoply of ways to do that.
Turning our attention toward the election, Governor, Michigan is a battleground state once again for the upcoming election. A recent poll we conducted showed that the state is leaning toward Donald Trump with a 1-point lead over Biden. What are your thoughts on this?
Well, I think, you know, the road to the White House is always going to go through Michigan, and it's always going to be close. And that's no surprise here, probably no surprise to you either, because I know you see these polls every cycle. I would just say, you know, I think that there's a lot of work yet to do, but I am confident that President Biden's agenda, President Biden's work, whether it's around climate or onshoring supply chains, growing our economy, fundamental rights, and our democracy is really very much on this ballot too. And so I'm confident that President Biden's agenda is going to resonate with the majority of people, but I take no vote for granted, and I'm going to work hard to help the president earn re-election.
Governor Gretchen Whitmer, live from Lansing for us today at noon. Governor, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for joining us, Governor.
Thank you.
And before our interview with the governor today, Michigan's Right to Life released a statement on both Governor Whitmer and her Lieutenant Governor Garland Gilchrist. The organization wrote in part, quote, "The governor and lieutenant governor are peddling an election year phantom threat to IVF. Prenatal care and abortion is a desperate attempt to scare voters."